today's lecture we will discuss regarding how to make the and we will try to verify the logic gates for the AND gate, right? To table we will try to verify. So for that you will need this website tinkercad.com, and in Tinkercad there are different options available. If the cursor is visible to you, then 3D
Yes, sir.
design is there, circuits is there, code blocks and SN is there, right? So just
Yes.
click on circuits. Out of that
Okay, sir.
click on circuits, and then click on create new circuit, right? Because we
Okay.
want to make a new circuit, so click on create new circuit. So it might take a little bit time because you might have to make a login account for this. If you haven't made already, then you might
Yes,
have to
sir. Yes,
make
sir.
the
It is
account,
asking
right?
for.
Okay, so from here you can change the name. You can try on later on. At this moment you can
Yes, sir. Yes,
see
sir.
how to make the circuit, right? So somewhat here is something written shiny something, right? So it is basically the name of the circuit. So you just have to double click on this, and by double clicking, and you can erase this, and then you can make this circuit, right? So let us write the name of the circuit, AND gate,
Okay.
and yeah, it will take certain, yeah. So you can see name has been changed, right? So after that you will need the various components to make this circuit, right? So let us choose all the components, either they are option of basics or all the components, right? So if you scroll it down, you can see all the components are mentioned there, right? So either you can scroll this window and you can choose in that manner, or the other way is you can just type the component name like breadboard. Suppose you need the breadboard, so you will type breadboard. So there are three different types of breadboard. One is mini, and second one is small, and one is the normal, right? So use this breadboard because this is and in this case you can make the entire circuit properly, right? So choose this
Okay, sir.
breadboard, and if you put the cursor on any of the dots, there are so many dots, right?
Yes.
Now, basically, do you know what is basically breadboard?
No, sir. Not very much.
Okay, so breadboard is basically used to assemble all the components, right? So do have the knowledge of all the individual components. If you go for the dictionary meaning, then breadboard is a construction base for prototyping of
Right, sir. Yes.
electronics, right?
Maybe
Uh,
the word was.
Yeah. So you might have,
Breadboard.
if you open any component like mobile phone or laptop, if you open any gadgets, then there is a PCB, right? So
Yes,
in case
sir.
of
Printed
PCB,
circuit board.
yeah, printed circuit board. So PCB basically is printed circuit board. On that, actually, this is a printed circuit board, right? So in that
Yes.
case, we actually solder all the components with whatever are there. So we solder them permanently, right? So they permanently get attached to that, right? If we
Yes.
want to desolder that, then we need the soldering wire and all that, right? So, but at this moment, we are just doing the lab work, so there might be some errors or something, right? So we have to again means insert the components again and again. We might have to change the circuit, right? So breadboard is
Yes, sir.
basically in which we can insert and remove the components easily, right? Without soldering and all that stuff, right? You simply have to
Yes, sir.
insert the component, and if any change or error is there, you can simply replace that, right? So it is basically
Okay.
used to mount the components. Okay. Now the important thing that you should learn is how these dots are basically connected, right? So the first line, topmost line, top two lines are the power lines, right? These two
Okay, sir.
lines. Negative and positive symbols are visible.
No, sir. Yes, sir. अब zoom कर लिया मैंने सर अब हो रहा
Yeah.
है ठीक है.
On the left hand side, there is negative sign, green negative sign, and positive sign. So this
Yes, sir.
top two lines are for the power supply, right? We will supply power to these lines, and these
Okay,
dots
sir.
are interconnected to each other, right? So if you put cursor on any of the dot, all the dots will be interconnected, right? So if you put
Okay,
cursor
sir.
on any of the dot, you can see the green line is throughout the entire horizontal line, right?
Yes, sir.
So all these dots are internally connected. Similarly, if you put the cursor on the plus sign, again then all the dots of second line are interconnected, right?
Interconnected. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you supply means if you give power to this particular dot, then all the dots will have the same supply, 5 volt, right? Similarly,
Okay.
the bottom two lines. Similarly, the bottom two lines again have the negative and positive signs, if you can see, right? So they are also
Okay.
the power lines. Visible?
Okay.
Bottom two
Oh,
lines.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, negative sign and positive sign is there, right? And they are also horizontally connected, right? So in order to
Yes,
check
sir.
how many dots are connected, you can just put the cursor over that and you can check, right? Similarly, now the middle two columns are left, right? So
Yes, sir.
if you zoom it, you can see that there are alphabets written there, right?
Yes, sir.
I have zoomed it again, right? So this upper two lines, negative positive is visible, and in bottom two lines again negative positive visible, and in the in between
Yes.
of the board, there are alphabets mentioned as A, B, C, D,
A, B,
E
C,
up
D.
till
Yes.
E, right? So
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
so if you put cursor on any one of that, suppose you put cursor on A, then how many dots are connected?
All five, sir.
Up till
E, sir.
5 dots. Yeah, up till E they are connected, right? So if you give any
Yes.
supply or any connection to A, all these five dots will have the same connection, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you put cursor on F, they are connected up till J. So these five dots are connected by which manner? Vertically or horizontally?
Vert. Yes, sir.
Vertically,
Vertically,
yeah,
sir.
right.
Vertical.
Yeah, they are connected vertically, right? And upper two lines and bottom two lines are connected
Horizontally.
horizontally. Clear? This much clear? So this should be clear
Yes,
in
sir.
order to make this circuit. If this is clear, then we can proceed with the circuit, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And all the rest of the dots are also connected in the same manner. If you put any number anywhere in the middle of the screen, again A to dots from A to E are joined, right? And if you put cursor on J, F, then they are connected from F to J, right? Clear? This
Yeah,
much
yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you need now, you want to implement AND gate, right? So for AND gate, you will
Yes,
need
sir.
IC of that, right? So in the search bar, delete this breadboard. Now in the search bar, you have to delete. Just wait for a second. Try to search for the IC of AND gate.
IC of AND gate.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, sir, I think I have to create account on it.
Okay. Let us check it here. So if I
Sir,
check the IC of
I,
AND gate, so you have to type. Yeah, better. Then
sir, I will create it by tomorrow, today, and in next class I can
yeah, in
perform
the
it.
evening you can. Yeah, in the evening you can try, right? So now if you type AND there, so different gate ICs will be there, right? Like one AND gate, quad AND gate, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
will pick this IC because we need the AND gate IC. So you will pick this quad AND gate. Just click on that and drag it, right? Simply you have to click on
Yes,
the
sir.
component whatever you need, and then you have to drag. So you will drag and place it like this, right? So you can't place it like this. Why?
Yes, sir.
Because these can you place this IC like this?
Hmm.
No, because
I don't know,
these
sir.
dots are interconnected. Na? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
actually, let me show you the pin diagram. So this the what is the number on this IC? You should remember the number. It is
74
7408.
HC0B. 8, sir.
88
8, yes. 8, yes.
7408, right? 7408. So this is IC number, right?
HC0B.
So you can check its IC diagram on the internet. You can check its IC diagram. So it is written quad and gate IC, right? Why it is called quad and gate IC? Because in this case, actually four AND gates are there, right? This is the IC diagram 7408. On the right hand side, it's visible.
Yes, sir, yes.
Let me. Okay. So this is the basically the diagram. So yeah. So pin number, how many AND gates are there in this IC?
4.
Yeah, four AND gates, right? So IC means
Integrated
IC.
circuit.
Yeah, integrated circuit. What does integrated circuit means? Integrated circuit means all the actives and passive components are inbuilt inside that, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you can study its definition and all that stuff from here, right? So active and passive component means all the resistors, all that stuff are inbuilt in itself, right? So basically
Okay.
there are four AND gates. So basically what you have to remember what are the input pins and what are the output pins for that particular gate, right? So what is the
Okay.
input for the first AND gate?
So first
Pin
is the
number
upper one or one
lower one. One, two are
one
the one and two are
inputs.
the inputs,
Inputs
and
and
three
three is
is
the
the
output. Output.
output, right? Clear.
Okay, sir.
So let us try to make it. So let us assume one and two as input and three as output, right? So this is the this is called pin diagram, right? So total how many
Yes.
pins are there? And total
Four.
how many pins are there in this
So
IC?
so pins, sir, we have used three, I think.
No, this one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 up till
Acha, okay, sir.
14. So
14,
total
14.
pins are 14.
Okay, sir.
Actually, these pins are something like this. This visible to you. Yeah. So this is basically like this, right? So these are the pins.
Yes,
Actually, in that case, they have given it certain names, right?
14 pins.
Yeah. So in actual, it will look like this, right?
Okay.
These are the pins, right? So one, two, three, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Seven on each side. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Seven will be on one side. Seven will be on other side. One, two, three,
Okay.
four, five, six, seven, right? Seven on one side and seven will be on the other side. So
Other side.
total 14 pins are there, right? And out of
Yes,
these
sir.
14 pins, the pin number seven will be ground. G and D means
Ground.
ground,
G
right?
and D.
So
Okay, sir.
yeah, so you will ground pin number seven, and pin number 14 is
VCC, sir.
VCC means you will provide 5 volt supply to that pin, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we have to make circuit according to this pin diagram. So whenever you have to implement any gate, you will just search for its pin diagram, and then you will implement that, right? So let
Okay,
us
sir.
now try to implement it. So now you will need one power supply
Yes, sir.
because get supply to it. So let us use one power supply. So this is the power supply. So try to place the component in such a way that the minimum length of the wire will be needed, right?
Okay.
So in this case, you will place the wire. So red one, this red dot will be connected to this
Other.
red. Yeah. So this positive of the supply, red means positive, black means negative, right? So
Okay,
red
sir.
of power supply you will connect with the positive, and you can also change the color of the wire. Just click on the wire, and then you can just change the color of the
Change the
wire from
color.
there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So it will become red, and then you will connect black with the negative one, right? Because
Negative one.
these are
Okay,
the
sir.
yeah. So now the entire upper row will have supply. Now, if
Yes,
you
sir.
want to give supply to the lower wire as well, lower relays, right? So what you will do, you will take the connection from this one, this point. You will join the negative of upper line to the negative of bottom line, right?
Okay,
And
sir.
change the color to black. And positive, you will connect positive with positive, and as it
Okay.
is, you will make it red, right? This much clear?
Yes, sir.
This actually we have given the power supply. Up till now we have only
Sir,
given the
we can connect to any dot in lower line.
yeah, we can connect to any dot.
Any.
But only
Okay, sir.
thing that you should remember is negative of this actually
Oh,
connection negative supply is coming from here, and then you
yeah.
pass from here to here, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So in this case, we need, so we need to give the power supply in lower line.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
If you need means if even though if you don't give that circuit can work, but in the bigger circuits you might need more power line connections, right? So if you are
Okay,
want
sir.
these points to have the supply, then you will connect, otherwise you will not connect. If you need the supply
Okay.
there, you can connect, otherwise you can't connect, right? So let us now connect. This is the let me show you. This much is clear. Actually, the
Yes,
one dot is visible on the right side.
left,
This is becoming.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So there is a on pin number one, above pin number one, there is a certain
Hole
dot.
type, sir.
Yeah, hole or dot is there, right? So that
Yes,
means it is called notch.
notch.
Yeah, so it is basically for the identification that this is pin number one, because there are four sides of the IC na. So how
Yes,
we will
sir.
come to know that which one is the first pin? So it is
Okay, sir.
basically to identify that this is the pin number one. So it is called notch, and it is basically given nearer to the pin number one, right?
One. Okay.
Yeah, because there are one side, second side is this, third side is this, and this is fourth
Yes,
side, right? So because from all the sides it will look similar, so how to identify this
yes, sir.
with the help of this notch, right? So that this is the pin number one. Clear?
Yes,
Okay. So in this case, in our circuit, it is slight white dot is there, right? If it is visible on
okay.
your screen, cursor
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
White. Yes, sir.
Cursor of
Visible,
my
sir.
screen is visible. Yeah. So it is
Yes,
white dot means notch, right? So below that, if you put cursor on the pins as well, so it will give that this first pin is input
input
one.
1A. Yes, sir.
Second, if you put cursor on second one, it will say input 1B. If you put
Yes,
cursor on the third one, it will say output 1. If you put cursor on the fourth one, then the second and gate will start, right? Up
input
till
2A.
pin
Okay.
number 3, the first
3.
AND gate is there. First two will be the input, and third one is the output,
Output.
right? Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
let us try to make the circuit according to that. What other components do you think that we will require? We will require
Mm,
supply, right?
yes, sir. So no
So
idea,
either
sir. The office.
you can also connect switch there. Let
To
us
turn it.
connect switch. Either you can also make a circuit like this. You can connect. Suppose you want to give 0 0. You remember the truth table?
Yes,
Actually, you
sir.
don't have to connect. Actually, I connected in a wrong way. I was basically asking why it is connected like this. Can we connect? No, we can't connect because these pins will be shorted. Pin number 1 and 14 will be on the same supply, so they will get shorted, right? So you can't
Yes, sir.
place it like this. So how you basically have to place this? You basically have to drag it. Click on this.
The lower line.
Yeah. So on the center of the board. Yeah. So you have to connect in between E and F, right? Rows E and F. It should be connected something like this,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes.
Because these dot are not interconnected. Dot E and F are not connected, right? So they will the IC will not get shorted, right? Otherwise,
Yes,
the
sir.
opposite pins of that IC will get shorted. Like pin number 1 and 14 are on opposite side, they will get shorted. 2 and 13 will short, right? So we don't
Yes,
want
sir.
short them, so we will place it like this. Now the concept clear why we will place it like this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So the rest of the components that we will need. So you will give supply from here. So this black wire means 0, right? Black means ground or 0, whatever you can call.
Mm-hmm.
So connect it with the just dot. So either you can connect in this manner. So either you can connect in this manner, or this is also right. And if you want to place small wires, you can also place it like this, because all dots are interconnected. So we can connect any of the dot with this
Okay,
black
sir.
line, right?
Okay.
So this entire horizontal black line means 0, right? So according to
So
our
this,
truth table,
so this wire will give power supply in this upper line.
yeah, it will give supply to this IC,
Okay, sir.
because we are supplying 0 from here to this dot, from
Yes.
negative line to J line, right? We are
Yes, sir.
supplying
J line.
0 from negative line to J line, and after J up till F, they all are connected.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
all the dots will get 0.
Power.
So 0 will be
Zero
supplied
power.
to pin number 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You can also change the length of the wire. You can also connect this wire from negative to this dot. You can also connect this dot. You can also connect this dot. You can also connect.
Okay,
It's
sir.
your wish. But actually, I want to use less length of the wire. So I
Shorter
use,
wire. Okay, sir.
yeah, it's your wish. Everything is right, right? Wherever you want to join, you can join, right?
Okay, sir.
May- should I change? Again, I will show you after implementing this so that it is properly clear. So
Hello. Hello, sir.
hello, yeah, it's audible.
Yes,
It's
audible.
audible, madam? Yeah. So
Yes,
actually,
sir.
pin
Audible.
number. Okay. So basically, I made one more connection. That is pin number 7. Pin number 7 is ground,
Yes, sir. Ground pin.
and 14 is VCC, right? So I connected pin number 7. This is pin number 7. So I connected 7 with the ground. Ground means negative line, right?
Okay, sir.
And pin number 14. This is pin number 14. This is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this is the pin number 8, right?
Yes, sir. Upper pin
On
is
the
8. Okay,
rightmost,
sir.
yeah, upper rightmost, right? So this is pin number 8. It is not from this side, right? It is from the rightmost side. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Even if you put cursor on that, it will say it is power pin, right?
Power. Okay.
So you will join this 14 number pin with the positive line.
Positive line. Okay, sir.
Yeah, because it is it said na, it is a VCC. 14 was VCC,
Okay.
so we connect it with the positive supply, right? Done, this
Okay,
much
sir.
clear. Now
Yes,
the
sir.
third pin is for the output. So let us join LED to display the output. So LED basically has two pins. One is called cathode and another one
Cathode
is called
and anode.
anode,
Yes.
right? So let us check it also. So what you need, you want to basically ground this cathode terminal. You have to ground. So just pick one wire and change its color because we want to ground it. So all the wires that are with the help of which we are supplying the ground, I am trying to make them black in color, and the
Black. Okay, sir.
wires
Right.
to whom we are supplying the power, we are making them red, right?
Okay, sir.
And then the next component that we need is a resistor. So let us put resistor there, and let us rotate it. Let us place R with the help of R button. Just click on the component, whatever you want to rotate, and then press the R key, R button on your keyboard, right, to rotate it. Other way is you can also click on this particular tab to rotate the component. This is the other way. Now how to connect the component? You will simply connect this dot with this terminal of the resistor. Resistor has two terminal. So let us, this is the output line. So let us change its color. Let us make it yellow or any other color, right? So that's it. So this is the entire circuit,
Okay, sir.
right? So let us try to simulate it. Let us see whether it works or not. For 0 0, what is the output for 0 0 in case of AND gate? You remember the
Sir,
truth table for AND gate?
एक minute, sir. Let me remember, sir. And get
Yeah,
zero.
let
Sir,
us
zero. I think, sir, zero.
AND gate actually gave output only on 1 1, but let me show you so that you
Yes,
can
sir.
verify.
I think zero. Sir, output will be zero.
For 0 0 0 1 and 1 0, for all the case output is 0. For
Zero.
only
Yes,
1
sir.
1, the output is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the truth table. This is the truth table of AND gate, right?
Yes, sir.
For 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is 0, 1 0 it is 0, and for 1 1 only it will be 1, right? So means
One.
on
Yes,
1
sir.
1 it should glow, for rest of the gates it should be, this LED should be off, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so now at this moment it is 0 0, both the inputs are 0 0, so it is giving 0 output, right? So
Yes,
let
sir.
us try to make it 1. Delete this wire. You actually have to delete this wire and then rejoin this to 1 point, right? So now let us try to, yeah, you can see the LED is glowing.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Let us
Yes,
stop
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So when you
it becomes
simulate
red.
it, yeah, it will glow, right? So means at
Yes.
1 1 it is giving me output, right? So if you double click on, if you click on this resistor, you will get this box, and from here you can change the value of resistor as well, right? So let us
Okay.
make it 220 ohm. It is at 1 kilo ohm at this moment. Let us change it to 220 ohm. So once I change it to 220 ohm, you can see its brightness has increased because I did the resistance na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which law is applicable here? You have studied in plus
Ohms.
two.
Ohms law.
Yeah, Ohm's law. Yeah, good. So what is Ohm's law? What Ohm's law states?
Sir, the potential difference across the ends of wire is directly proportional to the current flowing in it.
Yeah, V is equal to IR. So if resistance is more, the current will be less, and if resistance is high, the current will be low. Reciprocal means resistance and current will be
Yes, sir.
reciprocal, right? So at
Yes.
this moment, how much voltage you are supplying?
5 volts.
5 volt, right? So at 5 volt, it is working perfectly, right? So for the other cases, you can also verify. Suppose you want to make it 0 1. So for what will be the output for 0 1? For 0 1,
Zero,
the
sir.
output should be 0, right?
Zero.
So let us simulate. You have to click on this button, right? Simulation. So 0 1, you can see LED is not glowing, right? So it is giving me 0 output. So it
Zero
is
output. Yes.
right. So the last case that is left is 1 0. So let us make it 1 and delete this wire and let us. You can also use switch at this moment because you haven't did that. So I'm just changing
Okay,
the
sir.
wire,
Okay.
right? So either you can do it in this way, or other way is you can also connect the switch. So in this case, again for 1 0, LED is not glowing, so means output is 0. So for all the
Yes.
four cases are verified, right? So only in the
Yes.
1 1 case it is glowing, and rest
LED
of the
glows. Yes.
cases, right?
Sir,
And
can you
last,
please explain the concept of 1 0, sir? How to check which is one, which is zero, sir?
you didn't understand. This wire is what? Positive?
Positive. Yes.
Yeah, positive. And you have make this wire connected with this one. This pin is connected with this positive line. This
Yes, sir.
entire line will have the positive supply,
Yes, sir.
and this wire, this green wire is connected with this line. So
Positive. Yes.
you will supply one from here. So this pin number one will get one,
Okay,
and the
sir.
upper
The
line is
positive.
having zero.
Yes, the negative. Negative means zero and positive means
Zero.
one.
Yeah. So this
Okay.
negative line will have zero. So this you are connected this wire from here. So pin number two will get how much?
Zero. Zero. Yes,
Zero,
sir.
because we have
Yes.
connected with the second line. Na?
Yes, sir.
So clear. So what is the input? One.
One, sir. Input is 1 0, and we will get zero.
Yeah, clear. And if I
Yes,
have to
sir.
make it 1 1, what I will do? I will
So
delete
we will
this wire.
connect this wire to lower line. Okay, sir.
Lower line,
Positive.
positive line. Just we have to check.
Okay.
Yeah, now it has positive line. Let us check whether it will work or not. You can see the LED
Yes.
is glowing, right? And the other thing, why we have connected the resistance, because at this
Yes, sir.
moment you can see at a 5 volt it is giving me 11.3
3
milliampere, right?
milliampere. Okay, sir.
Yeah, but suppose if I delete this resistor, suppose I delete this resistor, right? We have verified entire truth table, right? So it is working perfectly. But let us delete this resistor. So let us check how it will work. So now connect this pin number 3 with LED directly, right? So now we are
Okay, sir.
connecting LED directly. Earlier we have connected LED with the help of resistor. So now let us check what what was the application of resistor there. So let us change the color of output wire to yellow. You can keep any color. I'm just changing it so that you can distinguish between the input wire, output wire, and rest of the colors, right? So it is
Okay.
not necessary to keep it yellow. You can keep any color. Okay. So
Okay.
now let us simulate. So now what you are seeing,
Blast.
there is a
Sir,
star.
short,
There
short
is a
circuit.
star. So IC is getting burned, right? Why it is
Okay,
burning?
sir.
Earlier case, when we were using resistor, it was not burning. There is also a error message over the LED. If you
Yes, sir.
can read this, can you read this message?
Yes, sir. The device broke because
The
of
device
current
broke
through pin.
because
Because of
current
current through pin
current
1Y
one
is
y one y means output pin is 58.7 milliampere,
7
right? While
milliampere,
the
while
maximum
maximum
current allowed is 25
25
milliampere, right?
milliampere.
So actually, the amount of
Okay.
current that is passing through now this through this IC has become very much large. So
Very
that is
much,
why
yes, sir.
this, yeah. So that is why this IC get burned, right? And moreover, this
Okay.
LED also has certain current limit. For this LED, the current limit is 20 milliampere.
20
Maximum current
milliampere,
that
yes, sir.
this LED can support is 20 milliampere. If you are giving more current, then what will happen? The lifetime of the LED will reduce. Even though it will keep on glowing, it might be possible that it fail. It will means not
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
stop functioning. Or the other thing
Hmm.
can be that its lifespan can be reduced, right? So
Okay.
this is the function of a resistor, that with the help of resistor we can supply higher voltage as well, right? So in this case, if you are not using the resistor, what you have to do, you basically have to double click here, and you basically have to reduce the voltage level.
Voltage, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now if you reduce the voltage level, you can see the LED is glowing, but its
Good.
value is less. So you can try it. It will be something from 1.7 up till I think 2.8, right? So means you have to give
Okay.
less voltage. If you are not using the resistance, in that case you have to use less amount of
Yes,
voltage and current, right?
voltage.
Actually
Okay,
you
sir.
have to keep this current in mind, that it should be less than 20 milliampere, right?
25 milliampere. Okay, sir.
For IC it is 25 milliampere, for
25
LED it is
for
20
LED it is
milliampere.
20. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so concept clear.
Yes, yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so that's all about for this lecture. So we have studied AND gate. In the similar manner, we can study the different gates as well. So we will see the rest of the gates in the next lecture. Till then,
Okay.
you can install, you can make the account for
Sir,
that, right?
I can log in that website. Okay.